Juni Februari season 4 te akan aku dium tangan shupen shai kendiat nam ta gitu ke ba kali yang aman kapor ba lano kan mi result jong ka police department lano shano te ko an penshai ki ba hakini kapor bladap ka nang don kan ka case mo no po high court te kadau kinang pensange Ndre menta anda ka sorkar kala ada ban implement ya kan ka roster system kala machana te ka high court la penkut no eka case te kemud ba ka result ka jongpi kan sakloi ban mi te kinang don hapo department ka jongki ban penbe ji kot kisla ban pie kat kum ki number of post kum ka roster system mo ka ban le phagam kane te kala jan hi ka mut ba ka result ka jongpi kala jan hi te Yaisha sa shipang sa katuk anis ngihi te pin haban ne check hi man kapor te ngaru ngan sapen mi hapo hangne ban andang ngalayo ika result te ngan sapen mi ngapat tip lama malano kan tarik te ngan sapen mi hi kat kapor bayo kat bakloi hi ban pen i shapi ya ka result mo te long bla pen kre ba kan sami hi kloi hi te ngan shpli kat kum kan nemo we nela thoba recruitment will resume once social system is implemented te kin haban lakajong jong development ke haban shna shwa mar hakane ka roster system te kat kum ki number of posts shubu kum nemo lada menta ka kanti kila bu ikane ka roster system te kaduna ki post mo te shubu kan thep shwa tang khasi murha ka next biang ka recruitment bade mudba khasi kin mi oshu kan yo nastangi garo klongom tang lada duna mo mar kinum la ban buthli mo te lada umdon tu kin ra be tum la ban thep shu menta man shwa nginom tip man shwa nginom tip yano la thep kanongot thep te menta ha ngin tip ben te kanongot katkum ka baha jongkar system ben lada umdon mudba kin ra be amla ban thep yano ru ha ban ra be shakan next beng recruitment biang hab yo be tang kita hi ke badegi jongki kategori ma kumtai namta ki SC namta khasi jentian ne kamta tar kan don baik kamtai te menta kinang shna kinang finalize kumno ban implement ya kanemo chief minister ma that said the government will move to complete the process of actually implemented the system the following which the various government can go ahead program kan kila ban yaj no shaj in accordance with the roster system workum ka roster system that the state job reservation policy will be implemented as per the newly adopted roster system. He added that the government will finalize the detailed payment that will made from the point in time when the quota policy came or in the country came to sustain. If the department are able to work out such detail, then they can go ahead with the recruitment, he stated. Mutba ka syong sa ki department tamo la ki kloi mutba ka result kan kloi la kin slam kan slam mo bakin penbiang ki ek baro ki jing tho jing tar man yat kum ka roster system. The CM made it clear that the matter would not return to the court since it has been given instruction that every department will have to ensure that the system is applied. Man lagi department mo ka court kelapan sange no ega case temta kan syong mai sa department te gila aban kloi gila aban slam ka syong kat kum ka jing trikam ka jongki te syai up esha ngampat tip hadu kan no sni kan shemo te hangnel ong ma pai. Some department can do it by tomorrow, but bigger department having much more number and a long history may require a week. Kan shimpor shitayo lane shi posngi lane shi banai mo tangom ta kni la so mo shitayo lane shi posngi ne shmete ka police ka kham he khambon recruitment te kan kham shimpor te ya sha biang sa shisen ya abej te kan sami i anda kila dapan penbiang iki nadong shadong as soon as they finish their internal exercise they can go ahead with the appointment te speaking on recruitment on the police department he said the same process will follow kaju hi kan ya kum yikibir department. As soon as the police will work out the detail of all recruitment kin haban bendap syai kita baro that have taken place in the past bila ada tap kam ka bila ada mo then and put them in the roster system kaban ta kadau kan shimpori tamba kanam shim slam mo and put them in the roster system then from day one they can start the recruitment process anda kila ada kitab de kin sa sedang no ya ka jing tap kam tamun ba ka result ngin sapen mi no dengan syai up tangkatu ne por kala mande shi posngi amde shtayo kelam de shibanai kat kum gajing ong jong ICM te ngini ab kata tang kane gajing penshai nam ta jong phi baro kiba up kemilanti agar sot jong ka police mo te tang kini khlishbun